Hi students, welcome back to my channel Evolve Solving Physics. Today we are going to discuss one problem based on application 1, that is on application 1 on average speed. This application 1 on average speed I have explained in previous class that I have uploaded in the channel. If anyone did not watch that application 1, so please go and watch that. If you watch that application 1, then it will be very useful to solve this problem very easily. So what they have given means a motor vehicle traveled the first third of a distance s. Here s is the total distance. So a vehicle is traveled first third of a distance s at a speed of v1 equals to 10 km per hour and second third at a speed of v2 equals to 20 km per hour and the last third at a speed of v3 equals to 60 km per hour. Determine the mean speed. Mean speed means average speed. The meaning of average can also be said as mean. Mean and average have the same meaning. Mean speed of a vehicle over the entire distance s. So now we are going to calculate average speed or mean speed. So what they have given, he have given the total distance s. Total distance s. He said that first third of the distance. First third of the distance means s by 3. Here s is the total distance travelled by the vehicle. In this total distance, first third of the distance with a speed of 10 km per hour. First third distance is s by 3. S by 3 with speed of 10 km per hour. We know that we don't know the time with what speed the vehicle is traveling. So we are considering it as t1. And he said that second third of his speed. Second third means s by 3. First third means s by 3. Second third means s by 3 with speed 20 km per hour. And we don't know the time. So we are considering that as t2. And last third is s by 3 with speed 60 km per hour. We don't know the time for the last third of the distance, so we are considering it as t3. So by using these terms we are going to calculate the mean speed or average speed. They have given the options 15, 12, 10 and 18. We have to solve that problem. So I say, so kilometer per hour can also be denoted by kmph. Kmph represents kilometer per hour. So if you add these three distances, s by 3 plus s by 3 plus s by 3, you will get the total distance s. Take the LCM of 3, s plus s plus s. You will get 3s by 3. 3 will be cancelled. The total distance is s. So I am considering it as total distances. So now we are going to calculate the average speed. So average speed or mean speed. We call average speed can also be called as mean speed. Mean speed is equal to, we know that average speed means total distance by total time. Total time. I said that when you are solving the problem, you should observe the units given in question and units given in options. So they are, the units given in question and options are same. So you need not to convert the units. And I said that in application 1, what the terms they have given, v1, v2 and v3. So you should convert this total distance by total time in terms of v1, v2 and v3. So total distance is s by 3 plus s by 3 plus s by 3. By total time is t1 plus t2 plus t3. So total distance is first half distance now s by 3. Next s by 3, s by 3 by t1, t2, t3. Why I am considering the time t1, t2, t3? Because he did not mention any time here. So I am considering T1, T2 and T3. But why I am taking distance S by 3, S by 3, S by 3 means he said the total distance S. So S is divided into 3 parts, that is S by 3, S by 3, S by 3. For suppose if distance is divided into 2 parts means S by 2, S by 2. So what they have here, we don't know the values of S, T1, T2 and T3. So you should convert into V1, V2 and V3 to get the answer. So add these terms. What you will get? S by 3 plus S by 3 plus S by 3. You will get the S value. So S by T1 plus T2 plus T3. So how you will convert these T1, T2 and T3 values? So I said in application 1. What is mean by speed? Speed is equal to distance by time. Distance by time. Here speed is V is equal to S by T. But we want T1. For T1. For T1, what we have for T1? S by 3 is for T1. Here the distance is S by 3 and the speed is V1. So V1 equals to S by 3 by T1. So you want T1 value to substitute here. So send these to left hand side. V1 T1 equals to S by 3 and you want value of T1 now, send V1 to right hand side. T1 equals to, here V1 is multiplying in left hand side. When you send to right hand side, it will divide. S by 3 V1. Similarly, T2 equals to S by 3 V2 and T3 equals to S by 3 V3. Substitute these 3 values here. S by 3 V1 plus S by 3 V2 plus S by 3 V3. In denominator term, we have the common S by 3, S by 3 and S by 3. You can take the common out from denominator. S by 3. 1 by V1 plus 1 by V2 plus 1 by V3. So, make the reciprocal of this denominator. S by 1 by V1 plus 1 by V2 plus 1 by V3 into 3 by S. SS will be cancelled. Mean speed is equal to 3 by 1 by V1 plus 1 by V2 plus 1 by V3. So, you have converted this equation in the form of V1, V2 and V3. Now, you can substitute the values V1, V2 and V3. 3 by 1 by V1 value is 10, V2 value is 20 and V3 value is 60. 1 by 10 plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 60. So, make the LCM of these 3 terms. 10, 20 and 60. You can take the 2 table value. 2 5s, 2 10s, 2 30s. 5 1s, 5 2s, 6. The LCM will be 120. So 120. So for first term, 1 by 10 into 120. 0 0 cancel, answer first term will be 12 plus 1 by 20 into 120. 2 ones 2 6. 6 plus 1 by 60 into 120. 6 1 6 2s 2. 3 by 12 plus 6 plus 2. 20 by 120. Make the reciprocal of denominator. So make the reciprocal of 20 by 120. We get 3 into 120 by 20. 0 0 will be cancelled. 2 1s 2 6. 6 3s 18. So mean speed is equal to 18 km per hour. So the answer will be option 4. So when speeds V1, V2, V3 are given, the given term should be converted into V1, V2 and V2. By substituting the values, we get the answer. So if you have any doubts, please comment me in comment box. So we are going to discuss another problem which is related to application 1. So what they have given means, if a car covers 2/5 of the total distance with v1 speed and 3/5 of the distance with v2, then average speed is. He said that 2/5 of the distance covering a speed of v1 and 3/5 of the distance is covering with a speed of v2. Then he said to find average speed. He has given 4 options. So now by solving problem, we can guess which answer is correct. So he said that 2/5 of the distance is with a speed of v1. v1 speed means he did not mention any time to find the average speed. So we are considering it as t1. And 3/5 of the distance, it is traveling with a speed of v2 and there no time is given. So the time is t2. Here what the terms they have given, v1 and v2. So we should convert average speed in the form of v1 and v2. So answer will be in the form of v1, v2. I said that what terms they have given, the answer should be in the form of v1 and v2. You can observe the options. All options are in the form of v1 and v2. So total distance means here how many distance they have given? 2 distances, that is 2/5 distance and 3/5 distance. So 2/5 s plus 3/5 s by total time is t1 plus t2. So here we want s. Here s is distance, that is 2/5 of the distance and 3/5 of the distance. With the, they did not given the time values, so we are considering it as t1 and t2. So t1 plus t2, but we need the answer in terms of v1 and v2. So convert these t1 t2 terms in the form of v1 and v2. You all know that speed equals to distance by time. Distance by time. Here for speed v1, the distance is 2/5 s and the time is t1. We want here t1, so send it to left side. v1 t1 equals to 2/5 s and t1 equals to 2/5 s by v1. Similarly t2 equals to 3/5 s by v2. Substitute these two values in t1 t2. So in this numerator we have the common term s. So take s as common in numerator. So 2/5 plus 3/5 of s by, in denominator also we have the common term s. So s is equal to 2/5 v1 plus 3/5 v2. Why? Because it is 3/5 of the distance with speed v2 with time t2. So by taking the common s, we get 2/5 plus 3/5 of s by, we have the common term s in denominator also. So s is common. So s of 2/5 v1 plus 3/5 v2. So ss will be cancelled. So you have the LCM of 5 is common. So 2 plus 3/5 by, you don't have the common term here. You have the only common term 1/5. So take 1/5 as common here. 1/5. 2/v1 plus 3/v2. So 5/5 by 1/5. What will be the LCM here? v1 v2. So 2/v1 into v1 v2, you get 2v2 plus 2/v2 3/v2 into v1 v2. v2 will cancel 3v1. So 5i will be cancelled. Make the reciprocal of these 1/5. You get 5/2 v2 plus 3v1 by v1 v2. So make the reciprocal. 5 into v1 v2 by 2v2 plus 3v1. So answer will be 5v1 v2 by 3v1 plus 2v2. So this is the average speed. Average speed is 5v1 v2 by 3v1 plus 2v2. So answer is, the correct option is 4. 5v1 v2 by 3v1 plus 2v2. So fourth option is correct. So these are the some problems based on application 1 on average speed. So if you have any doubts, please comment me in comment box. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.